video, we're going to look at how to create and save a Python program, and then how to use the def keyword to define a function. So when we left off, we had asked what the name of the person is. We'd inputted it and printed it out. Now we're going to format it a bit more neatly, and to do that we need to use the format keyword. So first of all, we're going to decide what we're going to write. So we'd like to write hello to whoever it is that's typed their name in. So if we say hello and then leave a space for whatever their name is, and we do this by creating a placeholder. And placeholders are written with curly brackets, and the first placeholder is curly bracket 0, curly bracket, the second one curly bracket 1, etc. So if we say hello, whatever your name is, that's an exclamation mark, and then that's our string. Then we need to add the person's name. So we can go type format, open brackets, and then pop in your name. So this is the variable that was over here, that we've taken the name in, and then it's repeated over here. Make sure you get lowercase and uppercase right. And we're going to closing bracket so that we've got both brackets finished off. Now we could carry on and ask them for their age, see if we can put 2 bits of information in our string. So you could say, what is your age? I'll put a little comment to see what I'm doing. This time, rather than saying print what is your age and your name and your age equals input, we're going to put it all in one statement. So your age is equal to, now before I've used input, what is your age, but age that they're going to type in will be an integer or a whole number. So I'm going to convert that into an integer, and in the next page you'll hear more about data types. Your age becomes equal to whatever is typed in after what is your age, input, and then convert it into an integer. So now I'm going to print the answer. There's some response. Hello, so and so. You are a young . And then I'm going to format . And this time I've got 2 things inside the format brackets. Your name, which goes into 0, your age, which goes into the next one, which is 1. And basically we start counting in this list of items. We start counting from 0 and then 1, and if we had another variable in there it would be 2, and then we put the placeholders in the appropriate places. So let's run this and see what it does now. Type main, what is your name? Let's change my name. Abigail. What is your age? 15. Hello Abigail, you are a young 15. So now you've had some practice printing out and formatting the output using format and placeholders. And in the next video we'll look at different data types.